Yo, what's going on, Night Family? Welcome back to another video, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Boy, on a journey back to the goddamn great state of Kentucky. Goddamn, you already know what it is, folks. We always say goddamn, because we're from the goddamn South. Anyway, hey, dude, right now it's like 7:52 in the morning. I woke up pretty late. I wanted to wake up at 6, but I woke up at 6. I looked at my clock. I freaking pressed the button, went back to sleep, woke up around 7:10. Went to the gym, took a shower. Now it's 7:52, and your boy is running late. I already know it's gonna be mad traffic going towards downtown Portland. I have to go through downtown Portland. If I don't go through downtown Portland, I have to go all the way around through Clackamas. And either way, it's gonna be traffic. So might as well go straight to downtown Portland because it's a straight shoot from downtown Portland to out to that highway on Hood River, basically. So either way, I'm gonna meet some traffic. So hope I can get to Salt Lake City before 8 p.m. I don't want to be driving around on mountains at night. Well, when it's dark, driving around mountains in pitch black, because a lot of times they don't have street lights on those mountains. Because how can you get street lights on mountains, bro? It's a lot of money. It's weird. But anyway, man, I hit this road. It's gonna be a travel vlog for you guys. I'm gonna stop and talk here and there, but it's mostly gonna be scenery, freaking time lapse, things like that, bro. So hey, let's get this thing going. The hair still looking good. Your boy still looking hood, looking ass, boy. So what's good? I catch y'all in the next scene. Y'all pray for me. Let's go. right. Freak. Woo! Sheesh. Bro, I am freaking tired, boy. I made it to Boise, Idaho. And right now, the Boise State football team stadium is like right down this area. I'll show you guys if it takes me that way, honestly. And I just need to unload a piss, get me a 4x4, get me some gas. I looked up, damn, it's kind of chilly out here, bro. But, damn, fucking back killing me. But, yeah. Damn. What I was gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say. But, yeah, I looked up Safeway. They don't have Safeway. They got Albertson. In Portland, they took away Albertson. Is mostly Safeway out there. But, yeah, dude. Freaking tired, dude. My back hurt, bro. I got 6 more hours. I think it's like, what, 3-4 hours away, Salt Lake City from Boise. I'm about to check that out and see what it's about, you know? But first, I gotta use the restroom, bro. I gotta take a piss about a second, you know? Alright, let's go in here real quick. I think it's like, is it one person restroom? Yep. One person restroom. And it smells like dookie. It smells like boo-boo in this mother trucker. That's what I'm wearing right now. Your boy in the state of Boise, the goddamn bluegrass, not the bluegrass state, but the goddamn team with the bluegrass, you know, from Broncos, and I'm a badger out here, you know, folks. But, hey! Man, I just took a deep breath and it smelled like poop. Disgusting. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a long journey. Not gonna be much to talk about. It's just gonna be me traveling. Hope you guys are enjoying the scenery. I hope you guys are enjoying the freaking view. Boise downtown is pretty small. It's the same size as like Lexington downtown. Not much, but it's pretty weird at the same time because they have mountains on the outside of the city. You literally can see the mountains from the inside of the city because it's so freaking tall, bro. And I'm gonna show you guys as well when I drive out. Pick you guys up when I'm in Salt Lake City. Also, they don't have a Raising Cane's. I was looking for a Raising Cane, but they don't have that in Boise. That is terrible. So I gotta head to Salt Lake City, Utah, and get some Raising Cane. But hey, dude, let's go and get this food, hit the road, Jack, and let's go. Yo, guys, this is what I talk about right here. Like, you can see the mountains outside of the city, bro. Hey, it's literally right there. It's literally right there. I'm like near downtown right now, bro. And this is the city. Where am I going? Oh, take this right. Look at that. The mountains are right outside the city, bro. I never seen nothing like this. Ah! I'm pretty sure in Salt Lake City it's gonna be the same way. City feel weird. Idaho just feel weird in general. It look kind of deserty, but at the same time mountainy. You know, like, just look at it. Like, it looked like the grass is dead. Like, it looked like dead grass city, bro. Literally, dead grass city. Not that much grass in the city, bro. Like, it looks just like that in the city. The grass is freaking dead, bro. I don't know. Let's go ahead and get some gas, bro, so I can hit the road, head to Salt Lake City. God damn it, bombing else. Let's go. Oh yeah, guys, I just made it to the gas station. One thing I would talk about is, thank God, bro, I'm out of that fucking state, bro. I don't have to worry about nobody sitting at a pump asking to pump my gas for me. So, you know, when I'm coming from Mississippi, I come from a state where we don't have people pumping your gas for you. So there's literally not a gas attendant in the area, bro. And sometimes these dudes get literally, like, they get upset when you go into like a full serve pump spot and pump your own gas. They literally get upset about that. It's freaking weird out there at Oregon, bro. So, hey, gas cheaper out here too. It's not freaking $3.80 no more. It's $2.89. It's a lot cheaper. The further you get away from the West, the cheaper life gets, bro. It's freaking weird out there, bro. I'm gonna pump this gas, fill up. Salt Lake City shouldn't be too far away. I think it's about like 2 hours away or so. I don't know. Freaking hit the road, bro. Let's go. All right, just made it to goddamn Salt Lake City. Actual Salt Lake City. I was in a spot called what? I didn't know Salt Lake City was this big, bro. I didn't know the metro area was this big. It took me about goddamn 45 minutes to make it from what? Agana? Or correct me if I'm wrong. Agano, whatever you call it. It's like north of Salt Lake City. and I'm at my first time at Smith's. This is literally a Kroger's right here, guys. To anybody out there who from the South, this is Kroger. Damn, I forgot my money. I got some change in my car. But hey, I'm gonna catch you guys up when that loud ass train. I'm gonna pick you guys up when I'm in the store, bro. Yo, I look like crap right now, bro. Like that ass. I look like crap. I'm freaking tired, dude. I drove, what, 13 hours just to get here, bro? Fucking damn, dude. I'm tired as hell. But this store looks more like a oh god, it's a Michigan guy. What you doing out here? Here for work. Here for work, eh? Yeah. Same here. Yeah. But this is first time in Smith, dude. Everything is Kroger, by the way, guys. So Kroger owns a lot of places all across the country. They about to own Albertston and freaking what? Safeway. So yeah, man. I look like crap. I'm tired. I drove 13 hours straight. Tired, dude. So let's find something to eat and take my ass to bed. Cause I gotta be up early in the morning. Yeah, let's get it. All right, I guess I'm gonna end the vlog right here because after this, I'm gonna take my ass to a little spot, take a nap, wake up in the morning, and I just got finished talking to a worker here. I was so excited to try to go to the dry riverbed, get some sights, get some views for you guys at the Salt Lake, whatever you want to call it, you know. I was excited, bro, until she said it stinks. It's not that good. I don't know, bro. I don't know. Something going on around here, bro, because I always thought that Salt Lake City, Denver was going to be nice. But shoot, I'm going to go see for myself. I might drive up there because it's like pretty north. Might be like 45-minute drive. Depends on how I feel. They said that this spot right here at this freaking Smith's is ghetto. I'm going to take my ass somewhere else to a nicer side of town. That's where I'm going to try to go, to a nicer side of town, honestly. So, yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel. Want to see more videos from me, of course. Hey, dude, vlogs are every day, popping them things out until I get back to Kentucky, bro. So, hey, love you guys. I'm out. Peace.